We got the tiny tan on McDonald's. He got the RM. Look at him. He got RM. He got.
My brother just won this on the claw machine.
Yes, I just won this in a claw machine. It's a cactus, maybe a cactus. I don't know.
There's Jungkook inside.
Yes, I just put it on the box so it will be exciting for you guys.
I got the card. I'm just gonna take the card.
Here's what I got. This is Jungkook, and look at this cool card.
I got the box.
And there's this.
This is the box. I got the
This
box.
is the figure I got. It's
And
pretty cool.
This is the card, and this is the back of the card, and this is the front. And anyways, I don't know what the back of this card. Oh, it's the same.
Jungkook. Now this is what it looks like. It has even the McDonald's logo on it.
Yeah,
This is so cool.
hopefully it's gray because I like gray. Is this white or gray?
I think it's gray, bro. By the way, this is the video where the video ends.
Wait.
Bye.